Ekiganiro kya mukuru w'ihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tabahaburwa n'abanyamakuru akikoriire omu maka g'obwa President Lango okwo abinayonja kushobora ebikozirwe government ya NRM.
Uganda is already a middle income country. By June next year we shall be $66 billion. And in the next 5 years it will maybe double. But since 2006, when we defeated COIN and ADF, the whole country is in peace. We are having a problem of cattle rustlers, which has now been also defeated.
President ashabira abantu okwekuramu obugombe n'alizete group government eyongere okubakwatiraho.
Disparities will be sorted out with time. With more money. Because you see, the part of the indiscipline, which is different from with the bush people. So, the economy of the country is led by the private sector. Private sector are the ones who are doing most of the work: farming, manufacturing, services.
Ombyamagara President araganiise konjera ku kutunguura President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni agirango naza konja kwatanisa n'abebembezi na munonga ab'eddiini kyeka kwicarira narukwika amuntu wa burijo okutunga entunguuka.
I'm not bothered with salary. I am here. I was fighting for no money from 1971. Now the members of parliament increased their salary wrongly, in my opinion. They made a mistake, but we didn't approve it. We didn't support it. We didn't want to cause a crisis, but I didn't agree with it, and that's why I refused a pay rise. I refused. They pay me 3.6 million, which they started paying in 1996. Before that, I was getting 150,000. They wanted to raise the salary because the salary of Kenya, please, I'm not Kenya, I am Uganda.
Our TV West is a Gideon.